Hashtags are a lightweight way to find related content within any space or across your entire Mighty network. While I can type anything I'd like in here by pressing the pound sign, let's call this newbie, you'll notice if I press pound sign again, some of these are already pre-populated with the star next to them. These are called highlighted hashtags, and you as a host can decide which ones appear for your members to choose from. At the top of the list, if they're typing a new thing, they'll see these by default, or they can freely type anything they'd like to, like I did here with the word newbie. You'll notice some of the highlighted hashtags appear here in the right column. If I click here, I can see more. I'll hit cancel here. Here's the current highlighted hashtags. I can click through to see posts that are tagged with these hashtags. I can also manage them. So I can change the order here. I can decide if I'd like to remove this as a highlighted hashtag. And if I go back here to my main feed, you'll notice that in this particular post, I have created a new hashtag that's not highlighted. If I click it, you'll see there's an option to highlight it. So if I do that, it will now let me know what space I want to highlight this in. And if I do it, it'll appear in this particular space. Now, another option too for highlighted hashtags is you've got features at the top of this particular space. You can actually have highlighted hashtags as a top level feature here. So if I go to the gear icon, and you'll notice if I scroll down under space features, there's a hashtag list. If I flip it on, I can choose what to call it. In this case, we'll just keep it as highlighted hashtags and hit save. And I go back here, and now I've got a top level tab for highlighted hashtags.